The First Amendment provides a right to express political speech in public forums, but is a military installation a public forum? The United States Supreme Court answered this question in Greer versus Spock. Fort Dix was an Army post that trained new recruits. Post regulations allowed civilian access to many areas, but prohibited political rallies in all areas. A post regulation also required that the commander approve any publication distributed on post, but approval could be denied only if the publication presented a clear danger to military loyalty, discipline, or morale. While the United States was in the Vietnam War, two anti-war candidates asked to hold campaign rallies and distribute publications at Fort Dix. The requests were denied. Separately, 4 individuals distributed leaflets without prior approval and were banned from the post. The candidates and banned individuals sued, claiming First Amendment violations. After extensive litigation, the district court ruled that Fort Dix's regulations were unconstitutional. The Third Circuit affirmed the ruling. The United States Supreme Court agreed to review the case.